do a little bit of a, oops. Hello my lovelies and welcome to today's video. My name's Amanda and I'll be showing you how to recreate this Valentine's Day makeup look using just makeup you can find at your local Walmart. So just make sure you hit like and subscribe below so you can see next week's awesome finds. So now just follow me. Alright, so first things first, and that's gonna be your eyebrows. Now, I love how beginner friendly this Luna Magic eyebrow pencil is. My favorite part, goes a little spoolie. So, fluff out your eyebrows with the other end. Make sure you got some coming out. Just draw it in. Now, I'm just gonna speed through this one real quick. And just get some of this, and I'm gonna start just circling it in to the corner of my eye. I'm gonna go in with this darker brown and get with a smaller brush and just darken the crease just a little bit. And just start blending. Now I'm gonna start bringing it out because this is just the style that I like. Of course, we're gonna be going in with foundation and everything here in a little bit anyway, so it's gonna get cleaned up, but I still wanna have that color in my cheeks and everything. And you are just taking that little bit of that lighter brown and just blending out that darkness that we just brought in. Now I'm gonna be taking this sparkly pink color right here called Stunning. And I'm just gonna use my finger for this, and it's gonna go right to where we just put all that concealer. The reason I'm using my finger is because instead of all the sparkle going into the brush, staying right on my finger, so it's going to give a lot more pigment. You can just pack it on there. I'm gonna go in with this color right here and a mixture of these two. And that's just because I like making my stuff a little bit darker. I'm going to be using Say What, and I believe Say What from Oma. This is Fair Lady T3C. Gonna take my beauty blender and start picking up all that fallout. Always blend into your neck. This is really, really light and I love it. So I'm going to be using the same light shade that I was using for my eyes and start brushing it in. I'm only using a small amount. Always start where your hairline is when you're doing contour because that's where the darkest part is going to be. I'm going to be going back over with the Beauty Blender just to blend it out back into the foundation a bit. So it's okay. Don't worry if it looks like you've got 5 o'clock shadow. More foundation. Just start touching it up. Mascara time. I'm going to be using Level Up by Oma. And this has become one of my staples in my makeup kit. I don't go anywhere without this mascara. The spoolie that it's got is absolutely phenomenal. One thing I always remember seeing on YouTube way back in the day is people shaking their mascara when they're putting it on. Didn't understand why people did it until recently. It separates the eyelashes. So if you see me doing that, that is why. It just makes it look much fuller. Lengthens, lifts, everything. It is phenomenal. Today I'm going to be using this lipstick from Milani. It is called Matte Confident, number 67. And this color is absolutely gorgeous. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with for your Valentine's Day looks. Well, make sure you hit like and subscribe below, and we will see you later. Say bye.